Are you looking for an easy way to light your grill without the nasty, disgusting taste of lighter fluid? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm going to show you just how simple and easy it is to use Kingsford match light. So make sure you watch the whole video through. So depending on your grill size, you want to make sure that you use half a bag of charcoal. And once you got the bag of charcoals inside of your grill, you're going to go ahead and stack it up in a pyramid style, because this is the best way and easiest way you could light your charcoal. Another con for using Kingsford matchlight is that I realized that it has a perfect blend of lighter fluid in there, so it's not going to be overly excess. You're not even going to taste it on your food. So that's particularly something that I enjoy, because in the past I used to use lighter fluid and I can taste it all over my food, and it just did not sit well with my family. So like I said, the matchlight fluid had the perfect blend of light fluid in the charcoals, perfectly infused, and you're not even going to taste it on your food. So the next step is to get some form of fire to use. What I'm using right now is tumbleweed, because it is specifically used for grills and it doesn't leave no type of residue in the food. So that's the type of fire starter that I'm using. So once you have your desired fire starter, you're going to go ahead and place your fire starters under your charcoal, but make sure you're exposing one side so you can easily light it. Also, you're going to definitely want to open up the vents on your grill so that you can get the most oxygen to your charcoal. Make sure you're doing this at being safe while you're doing this. So you go ahead and light your fire starter. Make sure the vents are open, and you're going to go ahead and see how easy it is to light these Kingsford match lights. Once you get your fire started, you want to wait about 10 to 14 minutes before you do anything with them. A lot of people are very impatient, so they don't really get a good start on the fire. So don't touch it. Let your fire go for 10 to 14 minutes without the lid on top, until it turns to a nice grayish color. As you can see here, this is the color that I'm talking about. You want to make sure that your charcoals are nice and gray, because this is going to produce the most heat. This is how you're going to have a great charcoal, good heating for your food. So make sure you're patient in this time, because when I first started using match light, I was such in a rush to hurry up, put my food in the grill. But at the trial and error, after my food was cold and not reaching the right grilling temperature, I finally learned my lesson. So take this as a tip. So once the fire has died down and your charcoal is looking pretty great, I want you to go ahead and get some metal tongs and go ahead and spread your charcoal evenly around the grate. Make sure they're laying flat, because this way you're going to go ahead, this is going to provide even heating temperatures around the grill, so that your food will be cooked at the proper temperature and everything will be done just right. So next step, you're also going to go ahead and put your grill grate on. This way your grill is going to heat up even longer. And then once you put your grill grate on, you're going to go ahead and put the lid on top with the vent open and let it sit for another 10 minutes. And once this is done, your food is ready to be cooked using match light charcoals. So please like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video.